Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Food All Around. Today I will be sharing my mom's special recipe which she learned from her grandmom. So let's start making very tasty Andhra style prawns fry. Heat a pan and add 1/3 cup oil. Then add 4 cardamom pods, 6 to 7 cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks and saute them for a minute. Then add 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped and saute them for about 5 minutes on medium flame. Then add 4 green chillies slit, 8 to 10 curry leaves and cook for another 2 minutes until the onions are softened and slightly browned. Then add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and fry until the raw smell goes. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder and give them a mix. Then add 500 grams cleaned prawns. Here I have added salt and turmeric powder while cleaning the prawns. Saute them for 2 minutes on high flame. Then reduce the flame to medium and cover it with a lid and cook for about 3 minutes. The prawns started to release water. Give them a mix. Again cover them with a lid and cook on medium flame for another 3 minutes. The water started to evaporate. Give them a good mix and cook for another 2 minutes or until the water is evaporated completely. Now add 1 teaspoon coriander powder and cook for 2 minutes until dry or until the moisture is evaporated completely. Then add half cup dried desiccated coconut. Mix until the prawns are coated well with dried coconut. You can also add freshly grated coconut and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the moisture in the grated coconut evaporates. Finally, add in some freshly chopped coriander and give them a mix. And the perfect Andhra style prawns fry is ready to serve. Do give this recipe a try and share your pictures with me on Instagram and your views in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.